Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the AK Sport Band compatible with Fitbit Luxe. This replacement band offers style and functionality for Fitbit Luxe users. The AK Sport Band is exclusively designed for the Fitbit Luxe fitness and wellness tracker. It's available in various stylish colors, including glistening champagne gold, smoke violet, milk tea, and starlight. The band is made from premium silicone material, which is soft, flexible, waterproof, and durable. The silicone material used in these bands is skin-friendly, preventing irritation even during long-term wear. It's sweat and water-resistant, making it ideal for exercise, sleep, and daily wear. Users can choose from two sizes, small and large, for a comfortable fit. With unique color options like smoke violet, milk tea, and starlight, you can give your Fitbit Luxe a personalized and fashionable look. Stand out in the crowd and be the brightest star with these stylish band options. The AK Sport Band is easy to install, and it comes with clear instructions to help you swap out your old band. It securely attaches to your Fitbit Luxe, so you won't have to worry about it coming loose. Customers have praised the band's fit, with one user mentioning it matches their Timex watch band. Some have mentioned slight irritation during extended wear, but it's generally comfortable. Others have found the replacement process straightforward and appreciated the quick delivery. The AK Sport Band is available on Amazon at an affordable price of $6.99. It's a cost-effective way to refresh the look of your Fitbit Luxe and ensure a comfortable fit. In conclusion, the AK Sport Band compatible with Fitbit Luxe is an excellent replacement band for Fitbit Luxe users. It offers compatibility, style, and comfort at an affordable price. With a range of colors to choose from, you can find the perfect band to match your style. So, if you're looking to upgrade your Fitbit Luxe, give the AK Sport Band a try. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.